Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the top 5 most useful Amazon kitchen finds that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker by Aroma Housewares is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance suitable for individuals and families of any size. With a capacity of 2 quarts, this rice cooker offers a perfect solution for cooking fluffy and delicious rice with minimal effort. Measuring 8.63 inches in diameter, 9.25 inches in width, and 8.5 inches in height, the compact design of the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker makes it easy to store in any kitchen space. Its corded electric power source ensures consistent and reliable performance, while the hand wash care instructions simplify the cleaning process. This rice cooker by Aroma Housewares combines functionality with convenience, allowing users to enjoy perfectly cooked rice every time. Whether you're a busy professional, a homemaker, or a cooking enthusiast, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker is a valuable addition to your kitchen appliances collection. Experience the ease of cooking delicious rice dishes with the Aroma Housewares Aroma.
The Charbroil Patio Bistro. True infrared electric grill is a sophisticated addition to any outdoor cooking setup, marrying convenience with precision. Crafted by Charbroil, a leading brand in the grilling industry, this electric grill stands out for its excellent performance and innovative features. Measuring 24.4 inches in diameter, 25.2 inches in width, and 38.2 inches in height, this grill offers ample cooking space while maintaining a compact footprint suitable for patios and small outdoor areas. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to its design, making it a stylish choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Charbroil,
the Aroma Housewares ASP137 Grill A3QT 3-in-1 Cool Touch Electric Indoor Grill. Portable is a versatile addition to any kitchen, offering a range of features that make it stand out from traditional indoor grills. One of the standout features of this product is its removable parts, which make cleaning and maintenance a breeze. The ability to easily disassemble the grill plate ensures that users can keep their appliance in top condition without hassle. This electric indoor grill comes in an elegant white color that can easily complement any kitchen decor. The use of aluminum as the primary material not only provides durability, but also ensures even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. Aroma Housewares, a trusted brand known for its quality kitchen appliances, offers this 3-in-1 grill with dimensions of 12.8 inches in diameter, 13.38 inches in width, and 7 inches in height. With a wattage of 1200 watts, this grill packs enough power for efficient cooking.
The Oxo Good Grips 3-piece plastic mixing bowls set in cadet blue is a practical and versatile addition to any kitchen. Made of sturdy plastic, these mixing bowls are durable and lightweight, making them easy to handle and maintain. The cadet blue color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor, while the tower gray and jade colors offer options to suit different preferences. One of the standout features of this bowl set is its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze after preparing your favorite recipes. The set includes 3 different-sized bowls, providing flexibility for a variety of cooking and baking tasks. The nesting design allows for convenient storage optimizing space in your kitchen cabinets. The Oxo brand is known for its high-quality kitchen products, and this mixing bowl set is no exception. The non-slip bases ensure stability during mixing, while the wide lips make pouring easy and mess-free, whether you're whisking ingredients for a cake or tossing.
The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker by Instant Pot is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers a convenient and efficient cooking experience. With a capacity of 3 quarts, this pressure cooker is ideal for preparing meals for small families or dinner parties. Constructed with durable stainless steel material and complemented by a sleek stainless steel black finish available in both chrome and matte textures, the Instant Pot Duo combines style with functionality. Its compact product dimensions of 11.2 inches in diameter, 11.4 inches in width, and 10 inches in height make it suitable for kitchens with limited space. One of the standout features of this pressure cooker is its dishwasher-safe design, offering easy cleanup after preparing delicious meals. With a wattage of 700 watts, This appliance provides sufficient power for efficient cooking. At 8.7 pounds, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. Using the touch control method, the Instant Pot,